Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Brevard County in east central Florida, southeastern Orange County in east central Florida, northeastern Osceola County in east central Florida, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Lone Cabbage Fish Camp, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Titusville, Rockledge, Cocoa Beach, and Cape Canaveral. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.